Oh, dude, this is heaven being out of the porch. Oh yeah, let's drink our fireballs. Going in on fireball right now. Oh.
Like, look at here, Oogle art. Oogle clothes.
Oogle here and they.
So apparently, Oogles come here and they like to leave their art and little pieces of things they've collected throughout their travels. Like this here broom. It's an Oogle broom. That's a Oogle. Looks like a Oogle like teapot or something like that. This here must have been one of the Oogle's old shovels. Looks like it broke.
We bathed each other.
Oh no, I don't think
like that.
I don't think they bathe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they don't bathe.
They're dogs.
Maybe they're dogs, probably.
You can see the little Oogle Christmas tree. One of them must have spent Christmas here.
It must have been a Christmas. He's a Christmas and he left his message under the Christmas tree. So what me and Ben are gonna do here, we're gonna leave our memorabilia for the Oogles. We're gonna leave our little fireball lead.
Train hopping too. And you go fireballs. Cheers. Yum! And I was like, should I add her on Facebook? It really sounded like something was coming.
Hey, so it turns out that was a false alarm. It was actually maybe across the water, maybe not a train at all, and it turns out our tour guide has maybe never done this before. And I'm getting a little worried. This guy doesn't seem to know what the fuck he's doing. Ben's freaking me out.
You're just so bad at it, you're like...
down! Beer spraying everywhere.
You're like, yeah, usually I lose like 4 beers. My heart's pounding.
Ben's heart is pounding.
Alright.
Hide your bag. Hide your bag. Get down. Get down. Is that the ideal train you're hoping for?
It's good enough.
So apparently this train is good enough.
Okay, so these trains, they're gonna jolt when they start.
Okay.
The train will jolt and it's gonna go. You gotta be ready for it to go like this. Oh shit, I'm tipsy, stoned. Drunk. We're gonna get on those two right there. Those are perfect. You guys all set?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You go on this side, I'll go on that side.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all right.
Go.
We're gonna be wet. And it's pretty fucking dirty.
How dirty is it? Oh, fuck.
Just grain. Once we're on it, we're out. Scoop it all the side, throw it off. It's fine.
Thanks. Oh, gnarly, we're getting dirty.
You're gonna watch your heads when it starts. It's gonna go. That means it's gonna take off in a few minutes or a few seconds. So go in the holes. You don't need to yet. There's a dude right there over there.
Really? You see that? He's still right there?
Can't tell.
I can't see his feet. Okay, keep going. Okay, dude. Okay.
This is it? What one? That one on the other side? Huh? Can't go on the roof though.
Are you sure it's our ride then?
Yeah, we can take this next one.
Do we want it? No roof? No roof? Okay.
People on this one.
Get down, get down. The rivers are dying. You can see over time the river has came down, which has just left us this little canyon. Marvelous.
Yeah, oh! See that tunnel up there?
Do you see that tunnel up there?
Yeah. You're a fucking mom one. That fucking tunnel. Open nights at whose house have you been to? I've been to your mom's house, I've been to your mom's house.
Oh, look at that! Dude, that's fucked up! The fuck kind of bridge is this, man?
Alright, we're going downtown. We're getting off. Yeah, we're getting off. Soon?
Okay.